welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jess. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I have a review on a new hair mask that I've never tried before. I'm so excited to try it out. If you guys are new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe to my channel down below before you leave. And make sure that you have that little notification bell on because it will notify you every time that I upload, which is every Wednesday and Sunday. So yeah, as you guys can see, I have my hair washed and everything like that. But if you guys like hair reviews and would like me to do more, definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up so that it lets me know that you like these types of videos. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I'm not going to make this a really long intro, but let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Rehydration Treatment Mask with Coconut Milk and Agave Senegal. I have no idea what that is. So, it says rehydrates and conditions all hair types. It has no sulfates, no phthalates, no parabens, no glycol, mineral oil, no animal testing, and no petrolatum. I never know how to say that. It is sulfate free and color safe. I just got the little package from Ulta because my hair sometimes does not like coconut oil. It definitely depends on the product, but like I can't personally just put coconut oil on my hair as like a sealant or like a pre-poo or anything like that. My hair does not like coconut oil like that. But I find that like mixed into things and everything like that, it seems to really respond well. So this says, replenish your hair with the perfect dose of conditioning hydration. This nourishing deep treatment is formulated with a special blend of 100% virgin coconut oil, coconut and shea oils, creamy coconut milk, and the Agave Senegal to boost moisture for silky, soft, shiny hair. Helps keep hair healthy and manageable and frizz free. Leaves hair wrapped in a light coastal coconut breeze. Ooh, I love the smell of coconut. After shampooing, apply a generous amount, focusing on mid-length to ends. Comb through for even distribution. Leave on for up to 5 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. Style as usual. For thicker hair or deep penetration, apply moderate heat by wrapping hair in a warm towel. Rinse thoroughly. Style as usual. Okay, so easy enough, I think. I'm gonna lift you guys up just a little bit. Something's wrong with my mirror. It's like, I don't know, I think I just need to go get a new one. It's not staying, so we're just gonna have to work with what we got. I mean, I'm not doing anything really precise. Today I did co-wash my hair because I have started going back to the gym. So a midweek co-wash has become quite necessary for me now, which is funny because like before, excuse me, my hair, I would be like, do I really need to co-wash? But now I'm like, I can't survive without co-washing. So this is from my towel. For today's co-wash, I used the Creme of Nature Intense Co-wash, I believe is what it was called. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And then I used the, what brand is that? I don't even know what brand it is. I did a review on it. It's the Agave Strengthen and Restore line. I forgot, what brand is that? I can't even remember, guys. I really can't tell you. But I will have all the products that I use listed down below for you guys as usual. So yeah, I co-washed my hair. I've started using like actual co-washes now, instead of just using like conditioner, and it has really been helping my hair a lot. My hair really dried out because I came back from the gym, took a shower. I had to eat lunch, guys. If you guys go to the gym and like work out and stuff, do you get super hungry like after the gym? Like, I don't know why, I was so hungry. I was like, I could not make this food fast enough. It was so funny. But yeah, let me know. And if you guys do work out, what's your favorite workout? I've been doing a lot of cardio recently because my sister is a personal trainer and she's gonna like make me like a plan and everything to work out and whatnot, but she wants to show me like the proper form and all that jazz. So my mirror is just not with it right now, so I'm trying to like, I'm just gonna go ahead and open this package. So let's see the consistency. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but it's kind of just like a white milky looking consistency. Oh, it smells divine. So I'm just going to take a little less than that. I'm going to take like this much for this size section and just apply that. Oh, that like melted into my hair, guys. That was crazy. Oh my goodness. It feels so good on my hair right now. I think that's definitely the coconut milk because my hair feels amazing. Wow. Okay. I'm just going to run my brush through it. Wow, it feels so good, guys. This might be a new fave. Definitely might have to pick up this product in a full size. Let me not get ahead of myself. Girl, I put it on one section and I'm like, wow, I love it. Like, relax. So I'm just going to take, like I said, as you guys can see, the consistency is pretty thick. It's not runny at all. But it feels so nice. Wow. Wow. So I am just, as I'm going along, finger detangling as well, just to get out any like big knots and stuff. There goes my mirror. Love that. Wow, this feels so nice, guys. My hair's already feeling super hydrated. I think I'm going to leave this on probably for about like 20 minutes or so. Nothing too crazy. So how have you guys been? You guys really enjoyed my last video, which was like my Sunday wash day routine. I'm so happy you guys are liking that. I definitely want to film more like routine videos, even maybe like a morning routine. My co-wash routine I want to get up for you guys, but my co-wash routine is like honestly so easy. It's not anything crazy. So, but if you guys want to see it, I will do that for you, of course. So, this feels so nice. Feels so good, guys. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna go ahead, pop this on the rest of my head, and I'll be back to tell you guys my initial thoughts and everything. Okay, guys, so I just finished putting it in on both sides of my head, and I'm just gonna give you guys my initial thoughts so far. But so far my hair feels really soft and really moisturized. I love the way it feels right now. The smell smells amazing. If you don't like coconut, you will not like this mask. Let me just tell you that. As you guys know, I always put on extra to my edges and as well to my nape. If you guys saw my last video, then you know that this is something that I always do as well. But yeah, so my hair feels really nice. I don't know if you guys can see, my hair is actually pretty shiny already, which is amazing. This did claim to add shine to your hair, and I'm already seeing that, which is really crazy. So I'm going to leave this in, like I said, for about 20 minutes. I have to go, of course, walk my dog. And yeah, so I will be back to show you guys once it's all rinsed out, and I will tell you guys how my hair feels, what I'm thinking, how I'm liking it, and all of that jazz. So I'll be right back in a few minutes. Well, a few seconds for you guys, 20 to 25 for me. Alrighty, guys, so it's been about 25 minutes or so. I was about to be real lazy and just leave it in for longer, but guys, my hair feels butter soft. This is crazy. I cannot believe it. And I don't know if you guys can see, but my hair feels really shiny. Looks really shiny. Like, what? Excuse me? Who am I? Who is this? Who is she? And my hair smells delightful. Like, holy crap, it smells so good. But I am loving this mask. I am definitely going to go to Ulta. I purchased this at Ulta, by the way. I meant to tell you guys that. I'm sorry. I purchased this at Ulta. I'm definitely going to go get the full size. And I forgot, there's a lot of other things in this line from them, like skincare, body care stuff. So I definitely want to go ahead and check that out. But as for it saying that it keeps hair healthy, I feel like my hair is really healthy right now. I cannot complain about that. Manageable and frizz free. I don't see any frizz on my hair right now. My hair isn't usually frizzy at all, which I'm so thankful for, but and frizz free. Manageable, frizz free. Boosts moisture for silky, soft, shiny hair. I completely agree with you there, Shea Moisture. My hair feels so soft. Like, I'm about to do a roller set again because it's cold outside. I have a lot of places to go today, so air drying is not in the cards for me right now. But my hair feels so soft. I know this is going to be a bomb roller set because my hair feels soft already. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. Have you guys tried out this mask? If you have, let me know your thoughts down below. Did it work for you? Did it not work for you? Let me know. I would love to hear it. And yeah, I think that's all I have for this video today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. And don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is always linked down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you, girls. Mwah. Bye.